Hello and welcome to the Tech Center. Today's tutorial is how to replace an iPhone 6s Plus LCD screen. Let's begin by removing two bottom screws using a Pentalobe 0.8 screwdriver. If you have replaced an iPhone 6s LCD screen before, then this is exactly the same procedure. However, in terms of LCD screen size, it is slightly bigger. Instead of 4.7, it is 5.5. Exactly the same as iPhone 6s, simply lay the prior tools at the bottom right hand side corner. Slowly nudge away the LCD screen from the frame. It should open upward like a flip case. Sometimes I find it easy by laying the suction cup rested behind the LCD screen, so it won't tear the LCD screen flex cable while disconnecting the battery connector. Let's go by undo two screws on the battery plates, then remove the plates using a tweezer. Now disconnect the battery using a plastic peg so that we don't short circuit the handset. Now that the battery is disconnected, let's go and undo 5 screws from the LCD plates before using a tweezer to remove the plate. Similar to an iPhone 6s, using a plastic peg, nudge the connector upward to undo the connector away from the main board. Now that the LCD screen is away from the phone, let's remove the home key button. Similar to iPhone 6s, remove 2 screws, then remove the plate. To remove the home key button, first unclip the home key flex connector, then using my finger, push the home key through before lay the plastic peg under the flex and nudge it away. Let's carry on by removing 3 screws on the speaker plate before removing the speaker. Now gently lift the camera sensor flex upward before removing the speaker. Once you have done that, let's begin removing a further 3 screws on each side of the plate, once on top of the plate. As you can see from the LCD screen, iPhone 6s and iPhone 6s Plus home key flex cable is attached to the LCD screen itself, so no need to worry about removing the home key flex cable. So in theory, Apple has made it pretty simple to replace an iPhone 6s and iPhone 6s Plus LCD screen module. Because the LCD screen module comes with a home key flex, so there's no need to worry about separating the part. Now nudge away the plates. Now simply use a pry tool to nudge away the sensor from the groove. Once you have done that, nudge the microphone away, which normally held with a bit of adhesive. The front camera module should come away from the LCD screen. You can reuse the camera and sensor plastic holder on the new screen if they don't come with it. Using a tweezer, lift it away from the screen and put it somewhere safe so you don't lose it. Now it's time to reassemble everything back the way it was. So let's go ahead, grab your new LCD screen. Let's start by placing the plates back in position and screw the top of the screw first before moving on to the side of the plates. Now reassemble the front camera flex. First we need to remove any plastic shield on the LCD screen. Then place the plastic sensor holder back before laying the mic down next to the rubber boots, which nobody held down with a bit of sticky adhesive. Now lay the sensor in the groove. Go ahead and grab the speaker and lay it on top of the sensor before laying the flex cable down to make contact with the speaker. Now lay the plates on top of the speaker and screw it down. Once that is done, we can go ahead and attach the home key back. First, lay the home key down and clip the connector to the main flex. Make sure that the home key is flush before laying the plates down. Now you can screw it down. Remember to put all individual screws in the right places because some of them are different sizes. To attach the LCD screen back onto the main board, to do this, we first line the camera flex on top of the connector, secure the connector using a plastic peg, apply gentle pressure so that the connector make a clipping sound. Now repeat the same step for digitizer and the LCD connector. Once that's done, simply lay the LCD plates on top and screw it down. Lastly, attach the battery connector back and place the plates on top, then screw it down. Now you can clip the LCD back in place. But first, position the LCD in the groove, gently start clipping the sides and work your way down to the bottom of the handset. The LCD screen should fit nice and flush. Lastly, attach 2 screws at the bottom of the phones and your job is done. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial and find it useful. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any suggestions, feel free to leave it in the comment section below. And I'll see you guys on the next video.